All right, welcome everyone to another deep dive. Today we're going to be looking into something pretty amazing, bio AI.
Bio AI.
And you listeners sent in some really cool stuff, articles, research papers.
Lots to dig into.
Oh yeah. And there's this one idea that really caught my eye, this tour thing. A tour to show off bio AI's impact apparently.
A tour, huh? Interesting way to think about it.
So that's what I'm hoping we can unpack today. What is this tour and what kind of impact are we even talking about? What's the big deal with bio AI?
Well, first off, bio AI might sound like, robots with brains or something straight out of science fiction.
Yeah, a little bit.
But honestly, it's a field that's moving really fast. I think it really could change a lot of things about how we live.
Okay, I'm intrigued. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's break it down. Bio AI, combining biology and artificial intelligence. What does that actually mean? Are we talking about, I don't know, plugging algorithms into living cells or something?
Not quite, but you're thinking along the right lines. Really, what bio AI is about is taking inspiration from biological systems. Think about it. You've got evolution, this incredible process of adaptation over millions of years. And our brains, these complex networks that can learn and solve problems in ways we don't even fully understand yet, bio AI is trying to tap into that.
To build smarter AI, basically.
Exactly. Instead of just programming AI with a set of rules, we're trying to design systems that can learn and adapt, kind of like living organisms.
Wow, so we're talking about AI that could evolve and solve problems in ways we haven't even thought of.
That's the exciting part.
It's kind of blowing my mind a little, but how do we actually use this? What are some real-world applications?
Well, there are tons of possibilities. Like one area where bio AI is already making waves is drug discovery.
Drugs.
Yeah. Imagine an AI that can analyze huge amounts of genetic information, like way more than any human could ever process. It could pinpoint the exact causes of diseases, maybe even figure out new treatments for things like, oh, I don't know, Alzheimer's.
Wow. So it could potentially speed up the whole process of developing new medicines.
Absolutely. And not just medicine. Think about materials science. You could have an AI that mimics the process of natural selection to come up with totally new materials. Lighter, stronger, maybe even self-repairing material.
Okay, yeah, that's getting into some serious sci-fi territory. It's incredible how technology and biology are starting to blend together.
It is.
Which brings us back to that tour idea we talked about earlier. Do you think this could be a way to show people just how powerful bio AI can be? To make these super complex ideas easier to grasp?
I think that's exactly what the tour is all about. Making bio AI relatable, even if you don't have a PhD in like bioengineering or something.
Right, yeah.
It's like an interactive experience, a way to really see bio AI in action.
Okay, I'm getting a little clearer picture now. Can you give me an example of what this tour might actually look like?
Sure. Let's go back to the drug discovery example. Imagine a virtual simulation where you can actually watch a bio AI algorithm at work. You see it sifting through mountains of genetic data, zeroing in on potential drug targets, even testing different compounds to see how effective they might be.
Oh, so you can actually see it evolving and learning as it goes.
Exactly. You witness the whole process unfold and you realize, hey, this AI is coming up with solutions that would have taken humans years and years to discover.
It's like a window into the future of scientific discovery.
I think so. And it's not just about showing off cool tech. By making bio AI more accessible, more understandable, we can get more people interested in it, excited about its potential. We can start a conversation about how we develop and use this technology responsibly, ethically. That's a really important part of it.
You're right. That's huge because we're talking about some pretty powerful stuff here. This is the kind of tech that could fundamentally change our world.
No doubt about it.
Well, this has been an amazing look into the world of bio AI. From revolutionizing medicine to creating entirely new materials, the possibilities are really mind-blowing.
It's a field that's bursting with potential. And as we learn more about biology and how to apply those lessons to AI, who knows what we'll be able to achieve.
It's really exciting to think about. Maybe one day bio AI will be such a normal part of our lives that we'll look back and wonder how we ever solved problems without it.
I can definitely see that happening.
Well, that wraps up our deep dive into bio AI. We hope you learned something new today and maybe even got a little inspired. Until next time, keep exploring.
Keep those questions coming.